Direct current versus alternating current. The flow of electrons is defined as electrical current. How current flows will determine if the current is direct current or alternating current. In direct current, or DC, the electrical charge flows only in one direction, positive to negative. In alternating current, or AC, the electric charge flow periodically reverses direction, equals positive to negative and negative to positive. The majority of electrical circuits on the car use DC before it can be used. Batteries. Vehicle batteries have come a long way in recent years to deal with the ever-increasing number of lifestyle electronics within modern vehicles. However, short journeys with reduced charging time and the increased electrical load during the winter will still reduce the battery's performance and could ultimately result in battery failure, with nearly 20% of winter breakdowns due to battery faults. An automobile battery is a type of rechargeable battery that supplies electrical energy to an automobile, usually its lead-acid type, and are made of 6 galvanic cells in series to provide a 12-volt system. Each cell provides 2.1 volts for a total of 12.6 volts at full charge. Heavy vehicles such as highway trucks or tractors, often equipped with diesel engines, may have 2 batteries in series for a 24-volt system, or may have parallel strings of batteries. Lead-acid batteries are made of plates of lead and separate plates of lead dioxide, which are submerged into an electrolyte solution of about 38% of sulfuric acid and 62% of water. This causes a chemical reaction that releases electrons, allowing them to flow through the conductor to produce electricity. As the battery discharges, the acid of the electrolyte reacts with the materials of the plates, charging their surface to lead sulfate. When the battery is recharged, the chemical reaction is reversed. The lead sulfate reforms into lead dioxide and lead. With the plates restored to their original condition, the process now be repeated. Lead-acid batteries for automotive use are made with slightly different construction techniques, depending on the application of the battery. The flooded cell type, indicating liquid electrolyte, is typically inexpensive and long-lasting, but requires more maintenance and can spill or leak. Some flooded batteries have removable caps that allow for the electrolyte to be tested and maintained. More costly alternatives to flooded batteries are valve-regulated lead-acid (VRLA) batteries, also called sealed batteries. The absorbed glass mat (AGM) type uses a glass mat separator, and a gel cell uses thin powder to absorb and immobilize the sulfuric acid electrolyte. These batteries are not serviceable. The cells are sealed so the degree of charge cannot be charged by hydrometer and electrolyte cannot be replenished. They are typically termed maintenance-free by proponents. Flooded or wet cell batteries are the most commonly used batteries on the market today. Flooded batteries come in the widest variety of shapes and sizes due to their widespread usage in a multitude of industries and applications. Flooded batteries again use lead plates, a sulfuric acid electrolyte, and plate separators, but that is where it stops. Usually flooded batteries are not sealed, and do not recombine. The gases produced are released directly to the environment through these same vent flow acid, steam, and condensation, leading to maintenance. Flooded batteries do require maintenance, in the form of water, to routinely replenish lost electrolytes through the vents. Lead plates start to deteriorate when they touch the atmosphere, so if you fail to maintain your batteries, they will corrode and fail. Flooded batteries hold very good rates of charge for the price, but require more work, unfortunately due to the internal construction and some very high internal resistance statistics. Battery terms. Cold cranking amps, CCA. Cold cranking amperes, CCA, is the amount of current a battery can provide at 0 degree Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius. The rating is defined as the current a lead-acid battery at the temperature can deliver for 30 seconds and maintain at least 1.2 volts per cell, 7.2 volts for a 12-volt battery. It is a more demanding test than those at higher temperature. This is the most widely used cranking measurement for comparison purposes. Cranking amps, ca, cranking amperes, ca, also sometimes referred to as marine cranking amperes, MCA, is the amount of current a battery can provide at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. The rating is defined as the number of amperes a lead-acid battery at that temperature can deliver for 30 seconds and maintain at least 1.2 volts per cell, 7.2 volts for a 12-volt battery.